Enchanted Ones, Gypsy here, and today I have an unboxing. I purchased a box from Hearth Wisdom Store, which is right here in Texas. They have subscription boxes. They have several different tiers. They have the Conjurer, which is $88, the Oddity box, which is $45, the Full Moon box, which is $20, Magical Pantry is $40, and this is the Witchery, it's $20. So they do have subscription boxes or one-time boxes. They also sell oils and candles. So it is a store in Texas that does subscription boxes. So the box came just like this. I opened it and the theme is money magic. So let's get into this little box. So right on top we have the spoilers. So I'm just going to put that aside. Then we have a bunch of paper shreds. I cannot speak today. We have some cinnamon, which is great for money magic and abundance. I'm just going to, this is going to make a mess. I appreciate the recycling. And then right here we have, it looks like petition paper, money spell paper. So it's 100% post-consumer recycled paper infused with a specific intention focused organic herb mix. Used in any spell work as a paper would usually be used, now with added power of herbs. Example, inscribe with a sigil, burn to charge, and add to a spell jar along crystals and oils by the Crow's Capture. So pretty cool. And then it goes more into it. Always like petition papers. We have cat's claw bark. It's a 1/2 ounce. So I'm trying to read, I can't see it, excuse me. So it's masculine juniper fire, prosperity, protection, and psychic. So nice 1/2 ounce of cat's claw bark. Then we got some hem call client incense cones. I guess it's going to help me sell more boxes. I'll start lighting them. So you guys better start buying these boxes. I've seen these. I just don't know like what the... Let me smell them real quick. It smells like cleaning product. Oops. And then we have an this is cute, itty bitty little oil. And it's 5 fingers grass drum. So it's little 5 fingers grass. That is a cute little, I love little bottles. So we got some 5 finger grass oil. This is a mascara. And then we have a gold chime candle. Perfect for money magic and abundance. And then we have a gold chime candle holder. So that's cute. You can dress the candle with the 5 finger grass and then put some cat's claw bark around it. And then we have, is it citrine? What would this be? Oh, it's golden rutilated quartz. I've been getting a lot of that lately. So golden rutilated quartz. Oh, I should have saw the rutilations in it. So a little tumble of golden rutilated quartz. We got some more chime candles. So we got 2 green, 2 gold, 1 chime holder. Okay. And then a bunch of shreds. Okay, so Ancient Ways for Modern Days, Hearth Wisdom Store, values $31. Okay, so then it says January 2024 shadow work, but this says money magic. I bought this in, I think it was the end of January, so maybe, I don't know. So we did get the 5-finger grass essential oil. We've got the Luck, Money, Abundance, Protection. Oh, that's what it's telling you this. It's for Luck, Money, Abundance, Protection. We got cat's claw bark, 1/2 ounce. We've got a cinnamon stick sample, just a sample of the cinnamon stick. We've got golden rutilated quartz tumble. And that's for balance, healing, higher consciousness. We got call client incense, hem incense. The 2 gold and the 2 green chime candles with a gold chime candle holder, and then the money spell paper. So remind you, it's just $20, so it's not that much. Oops. So what are your thoughts, guys? I kind of wish maybe they could have gave you like a ritual to go with everything to kind of put it all together. So that was the Hearth Wisdom Store subscription box, the $20 Witchery box. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Until the next time I see you, Skål.